Friends, today I will present a video to how to calculate flow of water in a pipeline. There are two formulas, one for tons per hour, second one is for cubic meter per hour. Tons per hour, A cross section area of pipe in meter square into velocity meter per second into density of fluid into 3600 divided by 1000. Q flow of fluid in cubic meter per hour is equal to A cross section area in meter square into V meter per second velocity into 3600 divided by specific gravity of the fluid. Q flow of fluid, A cross section area of pipeline, V velocity of the fluid. Example for a case of cold water using formula number 1. Things given: velocity of water in pipeline 1.7 meter per second, diameter of pipeline 100 mm, density of water 1000 kg per cubic meter. Q. First we will calculate in kg per hour, then we will convert it into tons per hour. A meter square, V in meter per second, density of fluid into 3600. 3.14 divided by 4 into d square, 0.1 into 0.1 multiplied by 1000 into 3600. That will come 48,042 kg per hour divided by 1000. It will come 48.042 tons per hour. Example of a case of cold water using formula number 2. Given velocity of water in pipeline 1.7 meter per second, diameter of pipeline 100 mm, density of water 1000 kg per cubic meter. Q flow of fluid in cubic meter per hour, cross section area A in meter square into velocity meter per second into 3600 divided by specific gravity of fluid 3.14 multiplied by diameter of pipeline in meter 0.1 multiplied by 0.1 multiplied by 1.7 meter per second velocity into 3600 divided by 4 divided by 1. It will come 48.042 cubic meter per hour. I have calculated flow in meter per second. Corresponding volume in cubic meter per hour. Suppose pipeline dia is 1 inch, velocity will be 1.2, volume will come 2.2 cubic meter. If pipeline dia is 2 inches, the velocity will be 1.3 meter per second, volume will be 9.5 cubic meter per hour. If pipeline dia is 3 inches, velocity will come 1.4 meter per second, volume cubic meter per hour will be 23. A 4-inch dia pipeline, velocity will be 1.7 meter per second, volume will be 50 cubic meter per hour. 6-inch dia pipeline, velocity will be 1.8 meter per second, volume in cubic meter will be 118. 8-inch pipeline dia, velocity will be 1.8 meter per second, volume in cubic meter will be 210. In 10 inches pipeline dia, velocity will be 1.8 meter per second, volume in cubic meter will be 328. In 12 inches pipeline dia, velocity will be 2 meter per second, volume will come 525 cubic meter per hour. In 14 inches pipeline dia, velocity will be 2 meter per second, volume will come 715 cubic meter per hour. In 16 inches pipeline dia, velocity will be 2 meter per second, volume will come 934. 18 inches pipeline dia, velocity will be 2 meter per second, volume will come 1181 cubic meter per hour. 20 inches dia pipeline, 2 meter per second velocity, volume will come 1459 cubic meter per hour. Pipeline dia 22 inches, velocity 2 meter per second, volume will come 1764. In 24 inches pipeline dia, velocity will be 2 meter per second. Volume will come 2100 cubic meter per hour. Thank you very much. Please share, like and subscribe this video. Please visit to my blog sagaoflame.com, a amazing blog post. Thank you. Thank you very much.